The ALTO Canadian high-speed train, set for launch in 2027, represents one of the most transformative advancements in modern rail transportation in North America, blending luxury, engineering precision, and futuristic aesthetics into a single masterpiece designed for world-class performance. From the moment it is viewed from the front, the train's aerodynamic nose section reveals its cutting-edge engineering approach, shaped to minimize drag, reduce noise, and enhance stability at extremely high speeds. The front view showcases the iconic silver body, complemented by a deep blue stripe and a subtle red accent that pays tribute to Canada's national identity, while the wide panoramic windshield gives it a commanding, futuristic presence. From the side, the ALTO appears sleek, elongated, and graceful, its polished metal surface reflecting the environment like a mirror, emphasizing the craftsmanship behind its aluminum alloy monocoque structure. The side view also highlights the precise alignment of the doors, windows, and aerodynamic skirts that run along the lower body, reducing turbulence and maximizing efficiency. The back view tells a different story, one that focuses on safety, balance, and the visual language of speed, featuring high-intensity LED tail lamps, a tapered tail section for smoother airflow, and a clean, elegant finish that signals its premium status. From the top, the train reveals a hidden layer of engineering beauty, integrated roof channels, air circulation ducts, antenna systems, and high-strength composite roof panels designed to withstand extreme weather conditions across Canada's diverse climate zones. The top view also emphasizes how the train's aerodynamic philosophy extends across its entire body, not just the front. Moving inside to the mechanical portions of the train, the ALTO incorporates next-generation traction motors, regenerative braking systems, hydraulic stabilizers, and digitally controlled suspension mechanisms that ensure a smooth and silent ride even at incredibly high speeds. When the mechanical components are exposed, such as during inspection or assembly, they reveal the train's true engineering complexity: power electronics modules, cooling systems, brake discs, traction converters, and advanced shock absorbers placed with mathematical precision to optimize performance. The interior mechanical layout of the ALTO further illustrates its layered design strategy, where every component, cable, and frame piece serves a purpose and contributes to the overall durability, safety, and efficiency of the rail system. The assembly process inside the factory is equally fascinating and speaks to the collaboration between robotics and skilled human engineering. During manufacturing, massive robotic arms weld the aluminum panels with microscopic accuracy, creating a seamless finish that improves aerodynamics and structural integrity. Engineers and technicians work side by side to align interior framework modules, install the train's high-speed bogies, fit electrical systems, and test each subsystem for performance and reliability. The factory environment is a symphony of sparks, machinery, precision measurements, and continuous quality checks, ensuring that every segment of the train meets global high-speed rail standards before final assembly. As the train moves through various assembly stages, it transforms from a skeletal framework into a polished, futuristic machine ready to redefine travel. When the ALTO is finally rolled into a luxury white English-style showroom for its official reveal, the environment creates the perfect stage to highlight its elegance. The showroom's bright white walls, glossy marble floor reflections, and high-intensity lighting bring out the train's metallic texture, aerodynamic curves, and luxury craftsmanship. The showroom presentation is designed to make the train appear not just as a mode of transportation but as a modern engineering sculpture, a fusion of art, science, and innovation. Inside the passenger cabin, the ALTO emphasizes comfort and refinement, offering a spacious seating layout, ergonomic seats, soft LED ambient lighting, panoramic windows, integrated digital screens, and premium materials that give travelers a sense of calm luxury. The interior design is guided by human-centric principles, ensuring accessibility, convenience, and comfort for all passengers while maintaining a clean, high-tech atmosphere. The train's digital ecosystem includes smart navigation displays, automated announcements, climate control sensors, passenger Wi-Fi, power outlets, and real-time travel analytics, creating a seamless fusion of technology and comfort. The ALTO's engineering extends deep into the software layer as well, incorporating AI-based monitoring systems that continuously analyze temperature, vibration, traction load, braking patterns, and aerodynamic pressure to optimize performance. All these elements combine to make the ALTO not just a train but a complete transportation experience designed for the next generation of high-speed travel. From its front view to its back, From its top surface to its hidden mechanical interior, and from its assembly moments to its final luxury showroom reveal, the ALTO Canadian high-speed train stands as a symbol of future mobility, national pride, and engineering brilliance, bringing Canada into a new era of high-speed connectivity, efficiency, and design excellence, making it one of the most anticipated transportation achievements of 2027.